there everyone, I'm Vickie Howell, founder and Stitcher-in-Chief of YarnYAY, a subscription service for knitters, crocheters, and general yarn enthusiasts. And I am so excited to be here to talk about the fact that it is our 2-year anniversary, and this is our anniversary product reveal. I never would have guessed 2 years ago that while I was out promoting the knit show and writing my latest book, that I would pivot and also become a business owner, and it has been a wild ride, but I so enjoy being able to meld all of the things that I'm passionate about: DIY video, nurturing a creative community, sharing all of these wonderful, beautiful products that are made by, people worldwide, supporting fellow indie businesses, especially female run, and of course, surrounding myself and you with yarn. So without further ado, I'm going to dive in because we've got so much planned for our 2-year anniversary that buckle up, have a seat, put your feet up because we're going to be here for a minute. All right, the first thing that I want to talk about is we are going green this month. All right, it's a subscription box, right? Well, guess what? Now it's a subscription club because we're going a little bit greener by switching from boxes this month and moving to these adorable envelopes. They are made from 90% post-consumer waste material. They are 100% recyclable. And on top of that, on the back, there's knitter and crocheters graph paper so that you can use them again and again. Let us know, send us a note if you feel angry spice about not getting a box, but we love these. We love that they'll be adaptable to all of our stuff. And how can you not love that little bit of happy coming on your doorstep? All right, let's talk yarn, right? So, the first thing that I want to announce here and now is that I have teamed up with my friends over at Mad Tosh to create a collection called the High Five Bundle. And you will be getting one of each. They call them unicorn tails. I'm calling it a High Five Bundle. The overall collection is the High Five Collection. 5 fingers for the hand. And each are named after, something related. So we've got spirit fingers, peace fingers, heart hands, pinky swear, and snaps. You are going to get one of these bundles, and you are the first to get it because we are launching them here. Later, we will be opening up the full hanks for local yarn stores. So you'll be able, as of late summer, to check them out there too. But these bundles like this, you can only get them in the YarnYAY May box. All right, so that is our big exciting news. And all of the colors, you can see what they look like knit up. This is my Vivid Valentine shawl that you can find at YarnYAY.com. And this is what it looks like if you decide to dive in and get bigger hanks, which we will also have some as an add-on, a very small amount at YarnYAY.com, but you just worry about this now. All right, so we've talked yarn. Let's talk about what we're going to make. So I wanted to show how well all of the colors work together. So I thought, how cute are little striped mitts? So we've got a little jazz hand situation. We are going to be making these adorable finger knit gloves in this beautiful textured stitch. Save these, bookmark this pattern. These are going to be a great gift for everyone. And if you're not into mitts, we always offer so many more projects just as suggestions. This yarn is great because you can make anything from socks with it to a drapey shawl to a garment. It really is super versatile. All right, so that is the knitting project. We always do for crocheters the same that we do for knitters. So for our crochet project, we also have wristers, and they are done in this adorable little lemon peel stitch. So you can see them right here. So fun, so cute. We practice with striping, a little striping technique as well. Love it. All right. Also, in every package, we include a full color booklet. This is printed here in Austin, Texas by a husband and wife company. They do all of our printing for us. In that, you will get full color patterns for both objects, or both projects rather, and also I give you a description. We talk about all of the other businesses that you're supporting by supporting YarnYAY. So you got a little bit of info on them so you can go and support them even further if you'd like to. And also just know who you're supporting, right? It's really awesome to see the faces, hear the names, and know the stories behind our favorite novelty items in yarn. All right, so we've got projects, we've got yarn. What's next? Okay, so this I'm really excited about. A big trend in the textile world right now is washable paper. So what is that, you ask? So it is a paper that wears like fabric. And what we have, I've worked this one. If you work it a little bit like this, it really presents itself like a waxed canvas or even a leather. It is so cool, but look, it's actually craft paper. So in your package, your subscription club package, you will be getting a rose gold one that we had. YarnYAY had these manufactured. They're a little caddy. What I do is I sit all my yarn colors in there and I work so that they don't roll off the table. Aren't those amazing? So cool. All right, so everybody gets one of those as well. Oh, but wait, there's more. All right, next up, the yarn, the Mad Tosh. I don't think I even mentioned this before. It's the Merino Tosh Merino Light, except for Spirit Fingers is actually Tosh Tweed. But regardless, both of them really come to life when you soak them in a nice wool wash and then block them. And so I wanted to make sure that you had all the tools that you needed to just get the best, softest project. So you will be getting a little packet of soak wash. There's several different scents. You're going to get one at random. This is good for a couple of garments to watch. This soak is owned and operated by women, and they are out of Canada. So you're going to give this a try. I really think you're going to love it. I really love, that's what I blocked this particular piece in, and it's just, it made such a difference. So lovely. All right, and then our last female-run business that we're supporting today is Rock, Scissor, Paper. You're going to get a postcard. We're all in this together. We've all been going through a lot these past, couple months, and I thought this postcard was just really fitting. I have been a fan of this company for quite some time. I've been ordering stationery from them from, I don't know, almost 20 years. I love the message. I thought you would all just get a smile taking this out of your envelope. So it's just a little reminder. All right, so all of that is about $57 worth of stuff for only $35 plus shipping. We have flat rate shipping. You can find out at yarnyay.com about all of that. So excited that we were able to do that for our birthday. But that is not all. Every single person who subscribes to May will also be entered to win one of 3 gift certificates. You will either get a $250 gift card to Jimmy Bean's Wool, who is owned by Laura Zander, who also owns Mad Tosh, or you could be one of the other 2 winners that will get $100 each to spend at their local yarn shop of choice. It'll be an e-gift card depending on how that particular shop works. We'll handle it then, but it is for you to support the yarn shop that really means something to you. And then lastly, as a part of this box, a percentage of every single pack, I still need to get used to calling it a pack as well, goes to benefit Feeding America. This organization really needs extra help right now. They're helping during the COVID-19 crisis, make sure that people don't go to bed with an empty belly. So every single pack that we sell in May, proceed will go to Feeding America. All right. So that's it for the pack, but let's talk add-ons. All right, first of all, if you decide to prepay 6 months or 12 months, you do get a tote. You've always got a tote bag. You also get a digital pattern from 3 months on. You get, if you go to 12 months, you get an extra special bundle that I put together for my stash. But everyone at 6 or 12 month level also gets one of our new YarnYAY bags. The background is a rug that I designed for my book, The Knit Vibe, and I just really dig these totes. So these are only for our prepay subscribers at the 6 and 12 month level. All right, so let's say that you want to do a little more shopping. Well, we have some add-ons for you. this month, as we do always. So first of all, the needles and the hook that you'll need for the project are a G for the crochet project. This is the Knitter's Pride black and gold ones that I'm really digging right now, so we have those. Or you'll need size 3 DPNs, or you could use a long circular needle, but I'm really into these flexi flips right now, so we'll have those as well. So that's if you're planning to make the wrist warmer project, we've got those. My next collaboration though is with DelaQ bags. I have, for a couple of years now, I've had a Tink collection with them. I've had smaller bags, wristlets, we've done a little, we had even these drawstring bags that we did for YarnYAY, oh gosh, maybe a year and a half ago. Well, now we are launching today the large version of the Tink tote. Oh, what? I just did the reveal over there. So it's going to come in 4 colors. They're a nice hearty size. They're great for big projects or really, you know, going to the beach, but let's talk knitting. They are made by a woman-owned business in Vietnam in collaboration with a woman-owned business, DelaQ, and they are roomy. They're about 22 inches wide, and they have a coordinating zippy pouch for all your notions inside. So we have a limited amount of those at YarnYAY.com. They come in this gunmetal gray, the mustard that you see behind me. And then we've got a few in aqua and some in pink as well. So you can find those also at YarnYAY.com. All right, we did it. That is everything. Thank you so much for sitting here and watching all of this. And most of all, thank you for being a part of my YarnYAY community. I am so grateful to have all of you in my knitting and crochet life. So be well, and I will see you over at YarnYAY.com.